So this is the for loop structure, and the main structure is this, and you can see inside open bracket we provides these three conditions in for loop. First condition is initialization, second is a condition, and third is updation. So how these three statements executes was is the sequence of the statements execution. Okay, so let's see how this statement works. First is initialization. Initialization means that if you want to execute your loop from the starting point. Okay, so here you have to provide or initialize your variable with the value from which you want to start your loop. Like let's take an example. If you want to print numbers like 10, then 20, then 30, okay, up to 100. So what you want to print from 10. Okay, so here you have to initialize your variable, let's say I, to 10. Okay, and yes, you need to give the data type of that variable also, that it is the integer type, so give it as int I is equal to 10. Okay, so here this is the condition to initialize the variable. But if you want to print your numbers like from 100 to 1, okay, now you are printing these numbers in the reverse order, 100, 99, 98 up to 1. So now in this condition you will initialize your variable with the value 100, like I is equal to 100. Okay, you will start from 100, or you want to go up to I, sorry, 1. So I will also tell you how you will go to I 1. But first condition, what is uh, I is equal to 100. This is the statement for initializing your variable. So initialization is nothing but it is a statement in which you have to give the value to your variable from which you want to execute your loop. Okay, so here second step is the condition. Okay, after initialization, now we will check that your variable is satisfying the condition or not. Okay, so condition, how you will give the statement of condition. So just I explained you the example of printing the numbers like 10, 20, 30. So similarly you have you initialize your variable with value 10, but now you have to give the end point of for loop. Okay, where you want to stop your for loop. So just if you want to print numbers from 10 to 100, then you have initialized your variable to I, sorry, 10, but now you have to add at the 100 value. So the condition should be here that I, your variable, should be less than equal to 100. Okay, so one thing is that if you want to print 100, then you need to put equal sign here. But if you don't want to print 100, you want till 90, then you can skip that equal sign here. Okay, so the condition is nothing but it is the end point where you want to stop your for loop. Okay, so one thing that I already told you, that if the condition, your variable is satisfying the condition, then it will execute all these statements. After that it will go for the updation. Okay, so now third statement is updation, and I told you that if the condition is true, then it will execute all these statement, and after that it will go for updation. Okay, so first part was initialization, second is the condition, third is execution of all statements. After that fourth step is updation. Okay, so it will go for updation. Now how we give the updation statement? Okay, so let's take example of printing your numbers like 10, 20, 30 up to 100. So you have to initialize your variable I. with value 10. Okay, now what will be the condition? Okay, let me give you the clear view for this. I is equals to, let me take another, c is equal to 10. Okay, I am initializing variable c with value 10. Now what will be the condition to stop the your loop at the value 100? Okay, you want to print till 100, so give the condition that c should be less than equal to 100. I am giving equal sign here because I want to print 100 as well. Okay, after that updation, now I'm printing variables like 10, then 20. Okay, so what I'm you can observe here that we are adding value 10, after that 20, so 10 plus 10 is 20. After that I want to print 30, so 20 plus 10 is 30. So I am doing like this. So updation statement is I sorry c. Okay, let me, c is equal to c plus 10. Each time I am adding 10 value in the variable value. So if the value of c is 10, then it will add 10 into this and give you the value 20. After that when your value is 20, then it will again add value 10 in this and give you the 30. Okay, so it will work like this. Okay, so after that updation, it will again go for the condition part and check that the now the new value of variable is satisfying the condition or not. If it is satisfying, then it will again execute all these statements which are inside the for loop, and after that again it will go for updation and again will check the condition and execute these things. Okay, and when this condition become false, then it will go outside the for loop. So you can see that the initialization statement executes only once in the for loop. Okay, only one time we initialize, after that we go for the condition and then the all execution part and then fit updation and again for condition, then again we execute all these statements like this. But this first initialization we do only one time. Okay, so this is the whole structure how for loop works. So if you like this video, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you, bye bye.